Okay, so we have a Kramer Beretta coming in for neck swap, inclusive of the hardware itself will be swapped out as well from the previous neck. The good thing about the new neck is the dimensions are pretty similar, so there's not a lot of wiggle room here and there. The lines are straight, the strings itself is straight, so yeah. Apart from that, the jack is a bit loose, so I tightened it up. This guitar also received a standard setup. Other than that, that's it. So enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like, do subscribe. If you want to contact me, you can contact me on WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye. It's okay now. Let me know if I need to put the string tree together with the cover. Profile is a bit low, a bit too low for my comfort, but I think you will like it. Other than that, the string, it sounds a bit snappy, mainly because of the fret wires itself. I think it's stainless steel. Other than that, guitar plays well. So this is a test. Well, stay tuned. So let me know if you want to pick it up. Bye.